having chosen that domain or having provided like industry, we learn something that is very critical to the industry also. I mean, let's say for me, writing code was something that I had been doing for a longer time, but I did not have any exposure for how insurance industry actually works. So that I got to know. Now it can like the question that you asked, it can also be like industry specific, as in like finding different roles that I can be serving this very specific industry, or maybe banking sector also, like insurance, banking, these sectors. So those can be similar roles. Those are domain specific rather than software or technology specific. And when it comes to like technology specific roles, I'll say uh, usually see, these are very big corporations that we are dealing with, so they aren't very open to new technologies that are coming, although every day new technologies do come, but they wait for these technologies to mature. Like machine learning, it happened like around a decade ago actually, but it has been like nearly 2 to 3 years that since then they are applying it in claims part. Like underwriting, they started it long before, but claims part they started implementing it like more recently. So I'll say like focus should be more towards .NET actually. That's like they trust .NET part. Usually, most of the companies, at least like if we are talking about MNCs, they focus on .NET. While as soon as we turn towards these new age startups and all, they are more focused towards other technologies, probably something that relates more with Python actually. I mean, RESTful APIs have always been there, and I mean, I think Node and JavaScript and everything is there, but Python is something that has been gaining like a lot of traction lately. I'm not sure, but somewhere around 20-25% or so is what it's I mean, people have been using in the industry. So yeah, that's one thing. And also the fun part is with Python, you also get pretty much easily accustomed to using those ML tools, which is of late becoming part of every industry. Like people do have data, like historical data, and ML does help in analytics part, if not any other thing.